again. Can't stay in this dead end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait, no.
This is Mombi again. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I do appreciate everyone who comes by just to watch whatever I've got to give or leaves a comment or a DM or whatever. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I decided to do a really simple and quick makeup tutorial for everyday makeup that I normally do, because we're getting to summer. It's now spring, but we're getting to summer and it gets really hot, like 35 degrees, 40 degrees hot, and I am not going to waste my products when, you know, all my makeup will be melting the moment I get into my car. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it and you let me know what you think.
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why.
that concludes the video. This is my most simple makeup routine that I do. I know I'm gonna get questions about my eyebrows. I've got a birthmark, a mole, whatever you want to call it, that makes it very hard for me to even out my eyebrows, and I'm not about to start apologizing for that. I think it's beautiful. It makes me stand out. So yeah, that's why this does not look like your normal eyebrows. Anyway, yeah, so this is how I look most of the times. And anyway, in summer it's really hot, so on other days I just didn't bother to do anything. But yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have other suggestions for maybe products that you've been loving that you think I would love to use in summer, let me know. Leave a comment in the suggestion box below, and thank you so much for passing by. See you in the next video. Bye.